Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off the 2021 12 Days of Christmas nail art with this green and gold burst. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Everything is Pine, and then once I've got that applied, for the Dotticure, I'm going to be using Essie's Good as Gold. For the burst, I have 3 dotting tools, and they are double-ended, so I'll actually be using 4 different sizes of dots. Then I have a small lid, as I usually do, to put my gold polish out on, and I'm going to work one size of dots at a time. Once all the dots are applied, I'm going to finish with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. And that's not something I thought I'd say about halfway through the testing, when my first idea was turning into a failure. But I kept going, kept testing, and I think I like this even better than my original plan. If you'd like to see all that testing, the extended tutorial will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time for this holo glitter, and so that you can really see how the chrome pops against it. The different textures are part of what I like best about this design. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.